Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, my name is Khalifatul Imro'ah. On this video, I would like to present my mini proposal. The title is Negative Politeness in EFL Class Interactions. For the topic is analyzing the implementation of negative politeness in the EFL class interactions at SMA Negeri Wan Bodong. The next is background of the study. Politeness strategy is how to express something without threatening other people's face or face-threatening acts or FTA. What is meant by face is about self-esteem or self-image. This politeness is a system of interpersonal relationship that is used as a facility for human interactions by minimizing the potential for conflicts and clashes. In the interaction of foreign language classes, especially English, politeness strategies are very important. Encouraging students regarding the importance of having politeness strategies will grow their awareness not only in communicative competence, but also culture awareness and shape character values. The next is reason for choosing the topic. Negative politeness is a strategy to reduce interference with the listener's freedom. This strategy can be done in an indirect way, minimizing coercion, conveying pessimism in speech to express doubts, and paying respects to the listener. This negative politeness occurs when there is a social distance between the speaker and the listener. So this topic was chosen because this topic can reveal about how negative politeness can be applied in teaching and learning activities and the need for negative politeness to be applied in classroom interactions. The next is research question. For the first, how is pessimism used in classroom interaction? Second, how to use the minimization of caution in class interaction. Third, how is the use of respect in classroom interactions? The next is objective of study. For the first, to explain the use of pessimism in the interaction between teachers and students in classroom interactions. Second, to explain the use of minimizing coercion between the teacher and students in classroom interactions. Third, to explain the use of giving respect between teachers and students in classroom interactions. The next is significance of the study. The significance of this study is as follows. Number one, analysis of the realization of negative politeness strategies in interaction will be significant in understanding about negative politeness which is intended to avoid giving offense by showing respect. Number two, it will also be useful for teachers to pay more attention to the need for negative politeness to be applied. Number three, it will also be useful for students about the need to use negative politeness, which is certainly not only used in classroom interactions, but also interactions in society. The next is review of literature. Number one, review of previous studies. Several researchers have conducted research on politeness strategies in EFL class interactions. Negative politeness. They are Dian Rahayuningsih, Mursi Saleh, Sri Wuli Fitriati in 2020, analyzing the relationship of politeness strategies and sociological factors that influence the selection of politeness strategies in the EFL class teacher-student interaction. Then there are Dwi Vita Heriawati, Stefania Juliana Siba, and Teguh Sulistyo in 2019, analyzed the lecture politeness strategy in criticizing the teaching performance of students with multicultural backgrounds in micro-teaching classes. The next is Murni Mahmud in 2019, explores the politeness strategies of English students. The next is Senowar Sito in 2013, explores politeness strategies used by teachers and students in 90 minutes English lessons in a senior high school. Another researchers is Santi Fitriati and Erna Andrianti in 2020, exploring the use of politeness strategies that occur in EFL class interaction in high school. The next is Widana, Suwanda, and Vedanti in 2018, analyzed the types of politeness strategies used by teachers and grade 1 high school students during English class interaction, and analyzed the factors that influence the selection of politeness strategies. Then is Widyatnya, Igusti Ngurah Bagus Yoga, second, Ketut and Santosa Madeheri in 2018, analyzing the implication of using politeness strategies on teaching and learning process. And the last is Andi Manguntumi Sudirman in 2018. Analyze politeness strategies between teachers and students in the classroom, namely the utterances produced by teachers and students during class discussions. The next is review of theoretical studies. Politeness. Politeness is a social phenomenon in a communication between people. Politeness is also defined by several researchers, namely Holmes in 1995, Lakoff 1975, and Civiano in 1992, who defines it is a behavior that occurs in society to make them respect each other and reduce the possibility of conflicts between community members. Meanwhile, according to Brown and Levinson in 1987, politeness is defined as corrective action taken to offset the disruptive effects of face-threatening acts, or FTA. This theory focus on how politeness is expressed to protect participants' space. The next is strategy politeness. Politeness strategy is a branch of sociolinguistics in communicative competence. Communicative competence is the ability to use and interpret a language correctly in a process of social interactions. So the politeness strategy is a strategy whose purpose is to show politeness behavior when communicating with other people. According to Brown and Levinson, 1987, there are 4 politeness strategies, namely talk on record strategy, positive politeness strategy, negative politeness strategy, and off-record strategy. In this study, we'll focus on one of the 4 strategies, namely negative politeness. And the next is theoretical framework. That is the theoretical framework. So the figure above explains about research on politeness strategies. According to Brown and Levinson in 1987, there are 4, namely talk on record, positive politeness, negative politeness, and off record, but only focuses on one strategy, namely negative politeness in classroom interactions at SMA Negeri Bandung. And the last is references. That is the references. So I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.